July 17th, hot face and a zany face. It's World Emoji Day, fireworks that celebrate. If you're just at home, if you're in the woods or in the shade of a deciduous tree, come celebrate who you are, 'cause everybody uses emoji. Everybody uses emoji. Emojis are for all of us. Everybody uses emojis. Emojis are for all of us. Everybody uses emojis. Emojis are for all of us. Everybody uses emojis. Emojis are for all of us. Bleeding face and pinching hand, red heart, white heart, map of Japan, yoga fire, check mark, and rainbow, raised fist and a banjo, T-Rex and an orangutan, cute otter and a dodo bird. You are emoji royalty if Emoji Day's the same day as your birth. Don't let your loved ones go, red rose, yes, no, elf, vampire, and zombie, super villain or rock star. Everybody uses emoji. Everybody uses emojis. Emojis are for all of us.